Welcome, today in front of me Huawei Nova 9, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first of all, just go to settings and now scroll down here to the sounds and vibration. Tap on that and scroll down again. Right there you will see the notification sounds. It's Huawei Cascade. Just tap here. You can see that here they get all the available tones. Now you can choose, for example, from your music on device if you add some, for example, like this, or if you will go back, you can just select one of these tones. For example, okay, I'll go in with this one, and if you'll go back, you can see that the notification tone has changed successfully. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.